Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to update CapCut app. Your CapCut app is not working as expected and you want to update it but you have no idea how to do it, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your App Store or Play Store. As I'm using the iOS, I'm gonna open my App Store. At the top, you're gonna see this search box. Type in your CapCut. After app appears, you're gonna see the option of update or open. In the case you see the option of open, it means that your CapCut app is up to date. But if you see the option of update, all you have to do is tap on it. Now it's in the process to be updated. You have to wait for a few seconds. After app is updated, you will see the option of open. Tap on it. Now you are good to go. So this is how you can easily update CapCut app. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.